Fault: the car suddenly stops with no power and it will not start. This is a problem that can happen when your battery cover goes missing. If the battery clamp isn't tight enough, the battery can bounce up and short on the bonnet. It will blow the main fuse. On this one you can see it's been replaced. Here on the wreck it's also been replaced, this time with a wire link. That's two of the same car with the same fault, so it must be a common problem. Just got to make sure you tighten those battery clamps properly. Hopefully this is helpful to somebody. Thanks for watching.